Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to set up Apple Pay on your phone. And for this we go to the wallet application, and then right here we click on the plus icon. And then right now we click here on debit or credit card, and then search for the bank that you want to link. For me it's ING. And then select here credit card or just a pay card. Now, right now it's a credit card. So what we do now is click here on continue. Take your credit card in your hand and please hold it behind the top of your iPhone. Then right now we can do scan with camera. Then we scan the card with camera. You will find here your name and your card number details. Then you do next. Then right now write down the security code that is standing behind the card. So write this. Then we do next. Then right now we do agree. And right now card is added to our wallet. Then right now the only thing that you need to do is click on complete verification. You can also do that the steps before this. But then we click here on next. Go to the application to confirm that they are allowed to use your credit card. Activate. And right now Apple Pay is ready. And then right now please go to settings. Go to wallet and Apple Pay. And then right here click on double click side button. Make sure that this is turning on. Because right now if you double click on our button, you will find here all the cards that you can pay with. So this is exactly how this works. Hopefully this was the video where I was searching for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.